after a crash occurs in New Orleans, one of the things we have to look at is fault or responsibility of the parties involved. And quite often, some of the things that we can look at are traffic infractions. For example, if the other driver made an improper lane change and came over into our client, that's something we can use to help point at fault, in our favor. Obviously, if our client is rear-ended, the person was following too closely. Again, another traffic violation that we can look at. And then beyond just actual traffic laws, most people, when they are going through their driver training, in their teenage years or whenever it is that they went through that process, are familiar with what we call the rules of the road. And we look at the rules of the road to kind of provide guidance as to who may be responsible in whole or part for a particular crash. So those are some of the things that we look at, the factors of the accident, exactly how it occurred, what are the rules of the road, is there a traffic law that speaks specific to this issue? Certainly, we all know that there are laws that require you to stop at a stop sign or a red light. That's easy, It's those that don't involve such clear-cut things that attorneys will turn to the rules of the road and other, institutional knowledge and experience over the course of time to help sort through the fault or liability issues to figure out who's responsible for what part of the accident.